Looking butterfly. So I got some clay.
A little pick and pop Jackson.
I just wanted a bowl.
Wisconsinville has missed their last 4 shots. They've hit nothing from the field in over 5 minutes. So we were talking on the show about whereas Davis has played 32 out of a possible 35 minutes in the game. In pain. Yes, in pain. A lot of agony. And they know there aren't as many weapons out there. They can really do a job and help on him as well. Langford, good defender, starts with him. In today for Michigan State in this regular season finale, they would clinch the outright Big Ten regular season title. Oh, goodness. Didn't it hurt? And Richards is down. Richards is down. And holding his leg and back up as a 3. That incident was as weird as this.
Are you using your phone?
Yes.
So I can't see it from there. Can I see it from there?
No.
And just to make that, there's a little trick that watch this roll. That's just amazing. Oh, fortunately he is okay, and that opens up an opportunity for a clean look. Very smart holding their breath right there on their fan. And here we go with the pass on top to Winston, approaching for the goal. Irish is going to stay at home on Winston. Langford, Jackson, half his defense slapped by half. Oh, and look at the dive by Pritzel. That is what Wisconsin is. Well, it is contagious. Vincent starts it off, but this team has not given up all year long. It's been frustrating. We've showed strong character through some adversity. Shot clock at 9. Winston takes it 6 out. Picked up by Iverson. Shot clock at 3.
Who's that one?
Davidson's ability to team makes some big shots, and their strong defense leads to this.
You gonna play with the kids?
No.
You might have to meet your mom at 5, she said. You hear me?
Why?
Would that be okay?
No.
Alright. No. Corn dogs, 2 microwavable meals if you want one.
Because I'm trying not to make jiggly on it. I added water.
Do it, baby.
Introducing the new Infiniti QX80. Infiniti, empower the drive. Study the most awarded network is now best in streaming. You just did. You both enjoy the most better view of the game from the iPhone on Russell. Thanks. Hey Thomas, let me play it.
Oh, Daddy. Daddy.
So get the best unlimited on the most awarded network.
Daddy.
Right now.
Tug on my eye. So bad.
Yeah.
Could I get blonde? I'm scared of my stuff. What are you doing? You're sitting there with my eye hurt.
Well, go rinse it out with some cold water. I didn't do it. It's one thing I could do.
What? You put slime in your eye?
No, I'm tired.
Oh,
Who is that?
here?
You want to play outside?
Yeah, give me a sec.
Give me out.
You can clean that all up. That's not how that camera looks when you use water.
Hurry up.
Okay, give me a sec.
Not rushing it. You can. Overreacted. Overreacted.
Where do they go? Let me go inside.